Hi children, good morning. This is Aruna Rajaputra with today's social studies topic India Political for class 3 CBSE syllabus children. India is a beautiful country which is the seventh largest country in the world. It has a population of more than 100 crores. Here you can see children, India, it is a beautiful country. It is the seventh largest country in the world. It has a population of more than 100 crores. It is the second populous country in the world, and the people of the country have to be looked after and protected. Do you know who looks after the safety and welfare of the people of the country? Yes, it is the government. After India became independent on 15th August 1947, the people got the right to choose their own government. So what is a government, children? Government is a group of people who decide how the country will function. It looks after the needs and welfare and security of the people of the country. In a big country like India, it is difficult for the single government to solve the problems. So the government is divided into two levels, the central and the state government. Central government. Government works at the central level with main offices in Delhi, the capital of India. The president, the prime minister, and the vice president and other ministers and officials of the central government live and work in Delhi. The central government is responsible for the progress and welfare of the whole nation. Coming to the state government, children. India is divided into smaller parts called states. Here you can see Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh. So India is divided into smaller parts called states and the union territories. There are 29 states. Each state has its own capital city. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Telangana, Hyderabad, Orissa, Bhubaneswar. Chhattisgarh, Raipur, like that. Each state has its own capital city. The main offices of the state government are located in the capital cities, children. Also, the governor and chief minister, other ministers and officials of the state government live and work from the capital city. The state government work together with central government for the progress of the nation. Among the states, Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is the smallest in terms of area. Coming to the union territory, children. Union territories are very small areas which are directly under the control of the central government. In all these, there are 7 union territories. Then the union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, National Capital Territory. Delhi is known as a National Capital Territory. Here, once again I will show you in the map. Andaman and Nicobar Island, the capital is Port Blair. Chandigarh, you can see here, Chandigarh is the capital. Daman and Diu, you can see here, Daman is the capital. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa is the capital. Lakshadweep, Kavaratti is the capital, and Puducherry is the capital. National Capital Territory, here Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory and New Delhi is the capital, children. So, among all these, Andaman and Nicobar Islands is the biggest, while the Lakshadweep Islands is the smallest union territory in the terms of area. Just as different flowers make a beautiful garland, in the same way, different states and union territories make our country beautiful. We should be proud of the fact that we are all Indians, children. Here is a guide to the states of India, children. Here this column states are given. Next capitals column, industries, crops grown, rivers, languages spoken, festivals, dresses, places to visit are given here. You can see. And the activity for this topic is write the names of 29 states of India along with their capitals. Also make a presentation on any one state of your choice. You can write as well as paste pictures related to the dresses, festivals, languages spoken, industries, places to visit and so on. Thank you all children. Have a nice day.